Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete an old Zangi account and then open a brand new one in 2025. It's pretty straightforward, but I'll guide you through step by step. So first things first, open up the Zangi app. On the home screen, tap the settings icon at the bottom right. Now scroll down a little until you see the section called Privacy. Inside Privacy, you'll see an option that says Delete Account. Tap on that. Now, quick heads up, when you confirm this, all your data is gone permanently. That means messages, call history, profile details, everything. So yeah, make sure you really want to do this. Once you hit delete, it might take a short moment for Zangi to fully process it. Just wait for the confirmation to go through before moving on. Alright, with the old account gone, let's create a new one. On the app's main page, tap Register. You'll need to agree to the terms of use and privacy policy before continuing. Next, type in your first name and last name. Once you've filled that in, tap Continue. Now you'll be asked to set a password. Definitely don't skip this. It's important for privacy and security. Choose something strong, at least 8 characters, with a mix of letters and numbers. Then tap Continue. Once that's done, Zangi will generate your private number. This is what you'll use to sign in later. Tap Continue, then OK, and your new account will be ready. And that's basically it. The whole process doesn't take more than a couple of minutes. You delete the old account, then set up the new one with fresh details. So to recap, open Settings, delete your old account under Privacy, then register a brand new account with your details and password. Super simple. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.